Medieval castles seemed impregnable until catapults appeared. They changed the course of war forever. The very first catapults hurled enormous stones hundreds of meters. Each thrown stone reduced the fortress walls to rubble. But the real terror was the trebuchet. It was taller than houses and more powerful than any catapult. The trebuchet's main weapon was a gigantic counterweight. Tons of stone launched death into the sky. Sometimes the throw weighed more than a man, and the range of the blow amazed even knights. Sometimes siege engines fired more than just stones. Burning barrels and fire were also thrown into castles. Sometimes they would throw in dead, infected animals. This spread disease and panic. Assembling a single trebuchet took a long time. Entire forests had to be cut down to build it. It took about a dozen people to pull the ropes. When the trebuchet was thrown, the ground shook. Fortress walls sometimes collapsed after just a few hits. The knights realized the castle was no longer safe. Siege engineers became respected figures in the army. Trebuchets commanded battles for hundreds of years. All this happened before gunpowder. The catapult and trebuchet were replaced by the cannon. The sound of a flying stone from a trebuchet terrified Europe for a long time.